Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot send message. iMessage need to be enabled to send this message. If you are using any iPhone or iPad, and if you see the issue that whenever you try to send message to any person, you might see the error that you might have to disable or you have to enable your iMessage to send that message. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to simply open your settings app, and here very first just go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and just go to apps section and just look for messages app here. Once you find messages app, select it. Here you might see a setting of iMessage. You just have to enable the setting. Once you have enabled, just wait for until it's activated. So just wait for the activation. And once it has been done, your iMessage will be enabled and you will not see the error again. Or if you might see the error that your the iMessage has been stuck on waiting for activation, see how to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. So just disable this, then go back and just try to make a force restart. Now to do this quickly, press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes really black. Once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry and your issue will be fixed. Just go to settings, go to apps, and just look for messages app here, and just try to wait for until it's verifying. Just wait for the loading first. And once the loading has been completed, now you can easily enable your iMessage. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're facing the enabling issue of your iMessage. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.